Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are all doing good. So we are back on your favorite learning platform, Moving Forward, and we are going to study from Feather Cap, People and Places. This is chapter number 13, that is Weather and Season. So, weather और season में difference क्या है? What is the basic difference between a weather and a season? As we know that we all have app in our phone for weather forecast, ठीक है? हम वेदर को चेक करने के लिए कि नियर बाय फ्यूचर में वेदर कैसा होगा, मे बी टुमारो और डे आफ्टर टुमारो और मे बी इन द कमिंग वीक. सो वी चेक अवर वेदर फोरकास्ट ऐप. सो वेदर क्या होता है? जो आपका बेसिकली द कंडीशन ऑफ द सन, हीट, रेन, विंड विच चेंजेस डे बाय डे और विच रिमेन सेम फॉर सम डेज, दैट इज योर वेदर. जो थोड़े टाइम तक एक जैसा जो आपका पैटर्न है वो चलता रहेगा, सन का, हीट का, विंड का, दैट इज योर वेदर. बट वही वेदर अगर बहुत लंबे टाइम तक चलता है, दैट इज नोन एज अ सीजन. हमें पता है ना, गर्मियों का सीजन, गर्मियों के सीजन में रोज एक जैसा वेदर होता है. इट इज वेरी हॉट ड्यूरिंग द डे, and in the winters what kind of weather do we face? There is a lot of cold. The cold is there in the evening and in the morning, but in the afternoon there is some sunshine, sunlight is also there, ताकि जो है थोड़ी बहुत धूप निकलती है और सुबह शाम बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड होती है. सो ये ठंड का वेदर रहता है. और गर्मी, ये सीजन जब एक टाइम तक बहुत ज़्यादा जो आपका वेदर कंडीशंस है वो सेम रहती हैं, तो वो एक सीजन बन जाता है. बट डे टू डे चेंज होने वाला जो आपका वेदर कंडीशंस होती हैं बेसिकली ऑफ द विंड, ऑफ द हीट, ऑफ द सन, दैट इज योर वेदर. So this is the difference between weather and a season. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the different weathers and seasons which we face in the which we feel in India. Sorry. So let's get started. I hope you are all ready with your books. कंडीशन ऑफ एयर अराउंड द अर्थ इज कॉल्ड वेदर. सो एयर की कंडीशन जो हमारे आसपास जो एक पर्टिकुलर जगह पे रहती है, दैट इज नोन एज द वेदर. नाउ द सन, क्लाउड्स, रेन एंड विंड मेक द वेदर. सन, का सन हीट कितनी है, क्लाउड्स कैसे है, रेन कितनी है, एंड विंड, विंड है या नहीं है. सो ये सब चीजें मिलके क्या बनता है उस जगह का वेदर. नाउ द वेदर इज हॉट और कोल्ड, क्लाउडी और सनी, वेट और ड्राई, विंडी और काम. So weather can be hot or cold, it can be windy or calm, it can be cloudy or sunny, wet or dry, it can be anything. Weather keeps changing, weather conditions remaining nearly same for months is called a season. So weather जो है it can change day by day or after some hours also. The weather conditions which same nearly for some months, that is known as your season. There are three main seasons in a year: summer, monsoon and winter. Some places have two more seasons which is spring and autumn. So जो seasons आपके main three seasons हैं, that is your summer, monsoon and winter. There are two more seasons which people face in other places, that is your spring and winter, autumn. Now summer season. As you know, summers are very hot and dry, right? So weather in summer is sunny. The sun is above the head for a long time. It is hot and dry. Sometimes hot and fast winds blow, which are called loo. So sometimes very fast and hot winds blow, which are called as loo. We cannot stand in the hot sun. So when the sun is too hot, when the temperature is too high, we cannot stand in the sun. So as we know, हम सब क्या करते हैं गर्मियों में, to protect ourselves we wear caps, we cover our face, we cover our heads with the cloth so that we cannot have to face, so that we don't face the sunlight directly on our body. Now sir, गर्मियों में हमें क्या चाहिए होता है? We need shade. We love to, we can't stand in the sunlight, so we need shade. हमें छाया चाहिए होती है. We use a fan or cooler. हम घर पे क्या यूज करते हैं? We use fans, coolers, AC. We wear light cotton clothes. In summers we like to wear cotton clothes, right? Because they are breathable. The hair can pass through very easily, and the cotton clothes also absorb the sweat. We feel more thirsty. गर्मियों में प्यास भी बहुत लगती है ना? We like to have cold drinks many times, and in the whole day we like to have a lot of cold drinks. Maybe you can have a cold drink, maybe you have rasna or roafza, anything. There are a lot of categories. You have shikanji, lemonade. तो ये सब चीज़ें जो है हमें गर्मी में पीने का बहुत ज़्यादा मन करता है, क्योंकि गर्मी से बहुत ज़्यादा जो है हमारा गला सूखता है. We feel thirsty. Now places in the hills remain cool even during the summer. But the places which are mountains basically, जब समर हॉलीडेज होती है आप माउंटेन्स पे घूमने जाते हो, राइट? क्यों? क्योंकि हमें गर्मी से निकल के हम थोड़ा सा चेंज के लिए we go to the cooler places. We go to mountains. So the places in the hills remain cooler in the summers. Many people from the plains go to the hills during summer. So a lot of people in the summer season go to the hills. Another is a rainy season, which is also known as monsoon. Mostly clouds cover the sky, sometimes fast winds blow. बहुत बार क्या होता है, जो clouds होते हैं आप कहते हैं ना काले बादल छा गए सारे, अब बारिश आएगी, है ना? जैसे इस पिक्चर में you can see that all the black color clouds have covered the sky. Sometimes fast winds blow, और कभी कभी बहुत तेज जो होती हैं winds blow करती हैं. Rains are there, और बारिश होती है. Then it cloudy, windy and wet weather. So वेदर कैसा हो जाता है? क्लाउडी, बादलों वाला, विंडी, बहुत तेज हवा चलती है, एंड वेट मतलब गीले, बारिश हो जाती है. We use a raincoat or an umbrella to protect us from rain. So what do we do? अपने आप को बारिश से बचाने के लिए we use raincoat, we use umbrella to protect ourselves from rain. Now we float paper boats in the water. So paper boats, children love to float the paper boats in the water. Sometimes we see a rainbow after it rains. और कभी कभी ऐसा होता है we also get to see the rainbow. जब बारिश हो चुकी होती है तो आपको वहाँ पे रेनबो भी नजर आता है. Now winter season. It is very cold during winter. Winters के टाइम पे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड होती है. There is snowfall in the mountains. And to feel the snowfall or to see the snowfall, people go to mountains. We sit under the sun, and we love to sit under the sun during the winter season. We like to sit near the fire or a heater. और कभी कभी हम लोग फायर भी बर्न करते हैं या फिर फायर स्टिक्स यूज करते हैं. और दूसरी चीज हम हीटर्स यूज करते हैं इन द विंटर सीजन टू कीप आवरसेल्व्स वार्म. वी पुट ऑन थिक वुलन क्लोथ्स. और अपने आप को ठंड से प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए व्हाट डू वी वियर? वी वियर वुलन क्लोथ्स. And we like to take the tea or coffee. As in the summer season we like to have cold drinks, in the winter season we like to have hot drinks like tea or coffee. Now classroom activity, write the months in which these seasons occur in India. So summer season India में it starts from the April, but June is the hottest season, so I am going to write the hottest month June. Second, monsoon. So monsoon जो है summers के बाद आता है. It basically comes in your September. Now winters. Winters come in December or January. You can write these are the coldest months. Springs comes in February. And autumn season comes after the summer, that is your August. Now take the correct answer first. We wear cotton clothes in dash. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Second, it rains during the dash season. It rains during the monsoon season. Third, we wear woolen clothes in dash season. We wear woolen clothes in winter season. Now match the pictures with the season. Cola. We love to drink cola, cold drinks in the summer season. And tea is, we drink tea in the winter season. And umbrella, we use umbrella in the rainy season. Now fill in the blanks with the given words. First, weather keeps dash. Weather keeps changing. Second, weather conditions remaining nearly dash for some months is called a season. So weather conditions which remain nearly same for months is known as a season. Third, the sun, cloud, rain and dash makes the weather. The sun, cloud, rain and wind makes the weather. Now fourth, sometimes we see a dash after it rains. Sometimes we see a rainbow after it rains. Next page. Answer the following questions. First is how many seasons are there? Which seasons do you like the most? So there are basically 3 seasons: summer, monsoon and winter. But in some places people also experience other season, which is your spring and autumn. So which season do you like the most? And you have to write the favorite season which you like the most. I'm going to write the name of the seasons here. First is your summer, winter, monsoon, and on some places people also experience spring and autumn. So these are some seasons. Now, how do we keep cool in summer? So, to keep ourselves cool in summer, we wear cotton clothes, and other things we do, we love to have cold drinks in the summer times. So that is how we keep cool in summer. Third question, what do we do to keep warm in winter? So to keep ourselves warm in winter, we use heaters, we burn fire, and we also wear thick woolen clothes in the winters to keep ourselves warm. Fourth, how will we feel if we wear woolen clothes in summer? If we will wear woolen clothes in summer, we will feel hot, and we will not, then that will make our body more warm. So we cannot wear the woolen clothes in summer. So we have completed the chapter here. I hope you have learned all the question answers and you have studied the chapter well. Thank you so much. Happy learning.